Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of Paris-Saclay University. It is one of the best universities in France. Its tuition fee is much affordable. Its per year tuition fee is as you pay your one semester fee in Pakistan. So you can easily pay your tuition fee in France University and you may select it for the regional scholarship as well. So must apply in this university. I will guide you the step-by-step application process. So stay tuned till the end. So first of all, go to Google and search Paris-Saclay 2026-2027 English taught programs. So click on the website Masters Program taught in English. Click on it. After clicking, a page like this will open. There is Master's Degree Year 1 and Master's Degree Year 2. You can apply either in M1 or M2. So M1 for those students, just a minute. Okay, so M1 for those students who have completed their bachelor's degree program and wants to apply in the master's degree program. So they will apply in M1 programs, and M2 is for those students who have completed their 1-year master's degree and wants to apply for master's program in foreign university. So the application process is same as in M2 and M1. So you can apply as you wish. So I am selecting M1 degree program. So these are the programs you can apply any of them. For example, I want to apply in the physical activity, exercise and health. Click on it. So a page opens. Here is the detail of this program. You can see here. Scroll down. Here is the apply now button, so you can apply from here. Now scroll down and see the application requirements. Read them carefully and then apply in this program. And then scroll down. Here is the capacity. There are 20 places available for this program. And there is application period. Inception platform, its deadline is 16/3/2026, means 16 March 2026. Now move to apply. Click on apply now. A page opens. Scroll down. Here is the options. Choose your program, applying for a master's degree, accepting the admission confirmation. So click on the applying for a master's degree. Click on it. After clicking, scroll down. Here is the application procedure. So first is my situation. I want to apply to the first year of master's degree among this list, M1 program. Second is I am a European student, so ignore it. And I live in a country falling under France. So click on Inception, the middle one, step 1, click on Inception. After clicking on Inception, you have to create your account. If you are a first time user, so you have to click on setting up an account and enter your details. They will send the activation email to your email that you have entered, and then by clicking on the link you will be activated. So come back here and enter your username and password, then you can log in. So I have already made an account, so I have just enter my username and password and then click on login. After logging in, a page like this will open. So here is the option of new application. As I have started an application, so I have the option of my application status to be validated. So click on it. Otherwise, you will click on new application. So I have already started an application, so I am clicking on to be validated. As you start your new application, there will be the following steps that you need to fill out. The very first is program. In program selection, you have to select your diploma, master's degree, specialization program. You can choose any of these. And the next is diploma level, M1 or M2. I have chosen M1. And then select your program. You can choose any program according to your suit. As you choose your program, they will show the deadline of your program, and you can see the details about this program by clicking on find out more about this program. So click on it and see the details related to this program, and its deadline is 16/3/2026. Now move to the next step. Next is personal details. In personal details, you have to enter your general information, your name, date of birth, country, nationality. Fields with the red stars are mandatory. And next is your address, include your telephone, your country, street number, postal code, and city. Fill them accurately and then move to the next step. The next step is education. Scroll down and you have to enter the detail of your bachelor's degree as you are applying for master's degree. So enter the detail of your bachelor's degree. Year of completion, your stream means your department. Then honors, if you have obtained your degree with honors, I honors, just pass or equivalency. So choose with honors, or you can choose with high honors if you have any honors. Then select your country. And then have you ever been registered in a French institution? So click on no. Current course of study. If you are still studying your bachelor's degree, then you can choose in a foreign institution, and then you have to enter the details of your degree. So if not, if you have completed your degree, then you can select no study. Then previous course of study means your bachelor's degree, so you have done in the foreign institution. Then enter the details, diploma level, bachelor's, country, city, then institution from which you have studied, and then course of which you are studied. So BS Health Science I have chosen. Next is prior course of study, where we're studying the year before. So you can click not study or in a foreign institution. Next, miscellaneous questions. Have you completed or are you completing a diploma in a French? So click on no. Are you applying as a part of international exchange program? Click on no. Are you applying as a part of double degree program? Click on no. And then are you considering a doctorate afterwards? So click on yes. If you complete your master's degree in France, so you can apply for a doctor's degree. Are you applying to another French or foreign university? Choose no. Have you interrupted your studies for more than 3 years? So click on no and move to the next step. The next step is grades. Enter your grades. 2025 to 2026 annual average score, then 2024 to 2025 study year, and then 23 to 24 study year. You can choose numeric score, letter grade, other, which you are concerned. Then enter the comment about your grade and enter the scores. After entering, move to the next step. The next step is internship. Enter the detail of your internship. So this is very important step. You will be selected on the basis of your internship or work experiences. So enter the details of your internship. Do not skip this part. Enter your year, organization, for example, medical hospital. I have choose duration 3 months, and supervisor. I have choose I have write my doctor's name, Dr. Hira. So enter your correct details and move to the next step. Next step is your work experience. Enter the detail of your work experience. including here organization, duration, and subject. If you have any other work experience, then you can add here. Now move to the next step. Next is miscellaneous information. Included language, native tongue 1, you can choose English. If you have French, then you can choose French or other. Native tongue 2, choose English language. Then French language skills, beginner. Able to follow a program in French? No. English language skills, intermediate. You can choose advanced or elementary. Then able to follow a program in English, so click on yes. Grant for the academic year 25 to 26. Did you apply for a scholarship program? So click on no. Registration scheme in order to anticipate the administrative procedure to come. What is your current situation? So first is I am a student. I am continuing education. I am looking for job. I am employed or other. So I have chosen I am a student. Have you interrupted your studies for more than 2 years? Click on no. How did you hear about University Paris-Saclay? You can choose any of these. I have chosen others. So click on next step. So next step is recommendations. Very first is last name, first name, mail and confirm mail. Enter the detail of your 2 referees here. First referee and then second referee. They should be different. Then click on contact referees and send mail to your referees, and then move to the next step. The next step is certificates. Scroll down and first must read the instructions. File size cannot exceed 3 MB and the file format should be PDF. Next, required certificates. So documents required for this program includes motivation letter, all transcripts of the year's semesters, and then your CV. These 3 are mandatory documents, and next are additional documents you can add or not. Remember, each program has the specific documents required. So for this program, just 3 documents are required: motivation letter, all transcripts, and CV. So each program has different requirements. So must read the program requirements and then complete your documents according to that. Then apply in that program. So add the files, motivation letter, transcript, and CV. Then add recommended certificates. A web file means add all the documents in one PDF file. Certificate of French if you are French speaker. Then supporting documents you can read, but they are mandatory documents: motivation letter, all transcript, and CV. So move to the next step after uploading these documents. So next is the final step of the application, that is application validation. So you can submit your application by clicking on validate my application. So in this way you can fill and submit your application, enter the correct and authentic information. And before starting an application in any program, must read the application requirements in that program, because each program contains different requirements. And in the last, its application fee is 0. So you can apply in this university without any application fee. So in this way, you are done with applying to Paris-Saclay University in France. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also visit our website Dream Degree Abroad to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.